How to check battery health in Windows 11. First, right-click the Start button and select Windows PowerShell Admin. Now, type the following command: powercfg/battery report. Then press Enter. Windows will generate a battery report and show you the location where the report has been saved. Copy that file location and paste it into File Explorer to open File Explorer. Once the battery report opens in your browser, scroll down to the Installed Batteries section. Here, look for design capacity and full charge capacity. The design capacity shows the battery's original capacity, while full charge capacity shows how much charge the battery can currently hold. If the full charge capacity is significantly lower than the design capacity, it means the battery has experienced some wear. You can also check the battery capacity history and other information in the report. And that's how you can check your battery health on a Windows 11 laptop using the built-in battery report. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.